Everyone has a name. Some people have two. It's easy to reach out to a friend in close proximity by calling his name. But when he's not close enough, yelling out the name would just be a waste of time. With the phone number, however, reaching the person becomes possible. Here's what you need to know. A person's name is what he answers to when he's within close proximity, but it cannot be used to describe or determine his location. But you can locate a person anywhere on the planet by dialing his phone even when he's close. This means the scope of a phone number is much wider than the name of a person when contact is to be made. Similarly, computers can be identified with addresses, MAC address, and an IP address. The MAC addresses can be used for communication within a local area network segment, but it is not sufficient to be used for communication outside this segment. Communication between devices on different networks requires IP addresses, and these addresses also define the physical location of every device on the network. When you think of the structure of an IP address, think about time. Not this, of course, but the digital clock. It's known that 60 seconds make a minute, 60 minutes make an hour, and 24 hours make a day. Two things to note. 60 seconds means counting from 0 to 59. And secondly, if we want to know what day it is, we only need to check this first part. Similarly, an IP address has 4 parts separated by dots. Each part is called an octet. 256 counts in the last octet makes 1 count in the third. 256 count in the third makes 1 count in the second. 256 counts in the second octet makes 1 count in the first octet. The first octet in this case does not tell what day it is. I mean, that would be absurd. But in fact, it tells the class to which an IP address belongs. Today, we'll introduce IP and the classes of IP addresses that exist. Hello guys, today we'll talk about the Internet Protocol and the classes of IP addresses. Every device on an Ethernet-based network requires a special kind of address in order to communicate with devices outside their local network. The most widely used network layer protocol for this implementation is the Internet Protocol, and it is defined by the Internet Engineering Task Force. There are 2 common versions of the Internet Protocol in networking, IP version 4 and IP version 6. Unless otherwise stated in this presentation, IP refers to the IP version 4 protocol. IP addresses assigned to devices are 32 bits long, and these are divided into 4 different parts, separated by dots. Each part is called an octet since it consists of 8 bits. The first octet, second octet, third, and fourth octet. There are generally 5 classes of IP addresses. The class is determined by the value of the first octet only. Class A. In Class A IP addresses, the leftmost bits in the first octet, otherwise known as the higher order bits, must be 0. This means the possible values you can have for Class A IP addresses is between when all the other bits are zeros and when all the other bits are ones. That gives decimal values of 0 to 127. Class B. In Class B IP addresses, the higher order bits are 10. This means the possible values you can have for Class B IP addresses is between when all the other bits are zeros and when the other bits are ones. That gives a decimal value between 128 and 191. Class C. In Class C IP addresses, the higher order bits are 110. This means the possible values you can have for Class C IP addresses is between when all the other bits are zeros and when all the other bits are ones. That gives a decimal value between 192 and 223. Class D. Class D IP addresses have higher order bits as 1110. This means the possible values you can have for Class D IP addresses is between when all the other bits are zeros and when the other bits are ones. That gives a decimal value between 224 and 239. Class E. Class E IP addresses have the higher order bits as 1111. This means the possible values you can have lies between when all the other bits are zeros and when the other bits are ones. That gives a decimal value between 240 and 255. Check out the questions on the next slide. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Thank you for watching.